So, for this day, same pa din yung gagamitin natin yung Laplace transform na table. We already discussed this one individually. Pero ngayon, for this day, dadagdagan natin siya. Ito yung idadagdag natin. So, medyo parami ng parami yung ating mga solution or yung ating mga formulas. So, you need to memorize talaga, no, this one. Yan talaga yung pinakamahirap sa engineering, yung pag-memorize. Lalo na sa akin, no, na I don't have the memory to memorize formulas. So, nung board exam ko, yan talaga yung pinagtuunan ko ng pansin, yung memorization, kasi that is very hard for me. So, sa inyo din, make sure that you have a copy, no, parang kodigo ba, para tinitingnan-tingnan ninyo. Pero sa exam, bawal si kodigo, so dapat memorize na talaga ninyo. Okay? So, ito yung idadagdag natin. This is a combination of EAT, kasi wala dito, no? EAT, and then you have your variable, then exponent. So, the formula is n factorial over s minus a, n plus 1. So, paki-screenshot because we will be using this one. But don't worry, no, 'di ba? Always naman in solving, sinusulat ko sa kilid yung formula na ginagamit natin. Okay? So, para familiar lang tayo. Number 2 is EAT, the combination of EAT and sin WT. So, mostly ang dinagdag natin for this day is parang combination ng mga EAT tsaka sin, cosine, tsaka yung ating variables, no? So, sin WT magiging W over S minus A plus W squared. So, take note, yung A dito is constant sa ating exponent, yung W is constant sa ating trigonometry. No? So, constant yan silang dalawa, hindi yan variable. So, therefore, in solving this kind of functions, ang gagawin mo lang talaga is to determine sino si A at saka sino si W. Si A, yung katabi ng exponent, si W, yung katabi ng ating trigonometric function. Then, substitute. So, that is very easy, no? Ang mahirap lang talaga, yes po, is the formula. Kasi you need to memorize, okay? So, W, I think isahang memorize lang to. Memorize mo yung isa, then, di ba? Palitan mo lang, W, palitan mo ng S minus A. Kasi same lang yung sa baba. Then, dito, pag hyperbolic, W, then, palitan mo lang ng S minus A. Then, as you can see, pag hyperbolic, yung iniba lang po is yung sign ng ating W. So, si positive naging negative. Okay, so, para mas maganda or mas mapa-easy natin yung ating solution, so parang bigyan natin siya ng step-by-step na procedure. Kasi minsan medyo tricky siya when, lalo na dito na part sa may plus W. Diba? So, the Laplace transform, ito, pinakita lang, same lang po kahapon, no, kung paano na-derive yung mga formulas na pinakita ko po sa inyo kanina. So, skip na natin in na part. At least alam niyo kung saan siya galing. No? But again, sa board exam, lalo na pangit naman siguro if ipakita mo talaga yung solution. 'Di ba? Mauubos yung oras mo. So, mas maganda if you really memorize the formula na lang para substitution na lang kaagad. Okay? So, first one, ito. What is the Laplace transform of the following? So, letter A is the Laplace transform of the function 2t raised to 4 multiplied by e 3t. Okay, so let's solve this one. So, sulat muna natin siya, letter A, yung ating Laplace transform of our function. Okay? So, before we will solve this one, di ba, we have a constant. Ang ginagawa lang po natin sa constant is nilalabas. Ayan, constant. And we will operate yung nasa inside. So, based po kanina sa ating table, di ba, if babalikan mo yung table, if it is stated there that the Laplace transform of t raised to n, e multiplied by at, di ba? Pag titingnan mo doon sa table, or if na screenshot mo yung table natin, di ba? So, pwede din siya baliktad. Pwede din siyang baliktad. Pero same naman na gyapon. Sige lang, ito na yung baliktad. Kasi yan yung na kanina doon. That is equivalent to, di ba? That is n factorial divided by s minus a raised to n plus 1. So that is the formula of its Laplace transform, kumbaga. So nilagyan na lang natin ng Laplace transform. Ayan. So Laplace transform of this one is this one. Diba? Okay, so just correct me if I'm wrong. I hope that you're using or you're tinitingnan ninyo yung formulas kanina. So baka kasi mali yung pagkasulat ko. Okay, so therefore, let us determine kung ano yung ating n, ano yung ating a. So first one is yung ating a. Sabi dito, ang a po daw is yung katabi ng ating exponent ng ating e. So which is equivalent to 4. Diba? Sorry, 3 pala. That is 3. Ayan. So next one is yung n. N is yung exponent ng ating t or ng ating variable. So that is equivalent to 4. So if ma-determine mo na yung dalawa, you're almost done because all you need to do is to substitute the values in our formula. So 4 factorial divided by s minus a, which is 3, then 4 plus 1. And then next thing that you need to do is to distribute. So 4 factorial, ang ibig sabihin is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 4 times 3 is 12, multiplied by 2 is 24, then meron tayong 2 sa labas, that is 48. Or you can just use your calculator, just correct me if I'm wrong. Na? Sa baba, that is s minus 3 raised to 5. Sir, do we need to expand this one? Wag na po. No? Kasi mataas yan masyado if you will expand. So, okay na yan na hindi naka-expand yung sa baba. Dapat lang, di ba, if meron tayong plus something-something dyan, something-something, you need to combine. Yan yung, yan yung sinabi ko sa inyo kahapon. Pero pag ganyan, okay na yan. You don't need to expand that one. Okay? So, therefore, paki-screenshot po because that is our final answer. Diba? So, yan lang yung step. First thing is to write the formula. Second thing is to determine yung A, yung N, or yung W. Then yung constant is ilabas mo lang kasi di siya kasali. Multiply mo lang siya pagkatapos. Tapos, i-distribute mo lang sa formula. Then, simplify and you're done. Let me erase this one and let us proceed to letter B. Ayan yung answer natin. So, proceed tayo for letter B. Next is the Laplace transform of the function 4e raised to 3t multiplied by cosine of 5t. Okay, so first thing that we need to do is to determine kung ano yung formula na magagamit natin. Diba? Okay. Okay. So that is equivalent to, isulat ko lang muna for yung ating constant. Yung constant is nilalabas lang po natin and then ito sulat natin dito sa right side yung ating formula na gagamitin. So that is the Laplace transform of EAT. Then yung katabi natin is cosine. So we will be using the cosine na formula. So that is cosine of WT equals. Okay, so let us just move it a little bit to the left kasi medyo feeling ko hindi magkasya. Ayan, kasya na siguro yan. Okay, so if titingnan mo or na-screenshot mo kanina, yung formula po natin for dyan is S minus A divided by S minus A then squared minus W squared. Okay, so all we need to do is to determine sino yung A natin na value and then yung W natin na value. Okay, so looking at this formula, kita po natin na yung A natin is yung exponent ng E, which is 3. While yung W natin is yung katabi ng ating cosine, which is 5. Okay, so next thing that we need to do is just substitute the value to our formula, which is S minus 3, kasi S minus A, then multiplied by S minus A, which is 3, also, then squared minus W, which is 5. Ayan. So, pero muna ito nga 5 siya. 5 squared. Okay, so next thing that we need to do is to simplify. And we're almost done with our solution. So, 4s minus 3. Then, sa baba po, that is equivalent to or divided by s squared. So we will be using FOIL method, 'di ba? So malalaki na tayo, no? Second year students na tayo, so we can use our FOIL method sa ating mga isip lang, no? So tawag dyan, mentally na pag-FOIL method. First one is s multiplied by s is s squared. Second one is s multiplied by negative 3 is negative 3s. Then times 2 mo kasi dalawa, no? Sa outer tsaka sa inner, so magiging negative 6s. Diba? Then, negative 3 multiplied by negative 3 is positive 9. So that is FOIL method. Then, how about this one? That is negative 5 squared. Sorry, no? Pag titingnan mo sa formula, yes, paki-check. I think this is positive and this is positive. No? Pag negative, that is hyperbolic. Pag each. Pag hyperbolic, negative to. No? Yan yung pagkatanda ko kanina kasi. So, pag positive, that is not a hyperbolic function. So, positive yan siya. So, positive 5 squared is positive 25. So, all we need to do is to simplify this one ulit. So, pwede mo siyang i-distribute sa loob. Magiging 4s minus 12. Or pwede naman din ganito. No? Basta kay doon lang ka sa answer. Take note that I am always checking your solution. So, if yung solution mo is medyo malapit naman din sa ating final answer, so I will always consider that one. So, for example, ganito yung sa itaas mo, sa baba is ganito. So, I will consider that one. Okay? So, this is our final answer. 4s minus 12 divided by s squared minus 6x plus 24. And screenshot so that we can proceed with our next na formula or na examples. Okay. So, medyo madali lang siya, di ba, class? Formula lang, no? Next example is this one. Combination of E and then sine. Okay. So, same lang po sa ginawa natin kanina. First thing that we need to do is to determine yung formula na gagamitin natin. So, that is the Laplace transform of our function is equivalent to, wala tayong constant, so diretso na siya. So, dito sa right side is, susulat ko yung ating formula. EAT, then sine, ano ba yan? Sine, ayan, WT. Ayan. Then, that is equivalent to W. Just correct me, class, if I'm wrong. Just C, yung ating formula na na-screenshot ninyo kanina. S minus A, then squared plus W squared. Okay. So, first thing is determine your A, and that is the exponent of your E, which is negative 2. So, don't forget to consider yung ating sign or yung ating operation, which is negative. The next thing is W, that is yung katabi ng ating sign is 3. And we're almost done now. So, next thing that we need to do is just to substitute yung ating mga values sa ating formula, which is 3 divided by S minus A. Ang S po natin is S. Then, A natin is negative 2. So, negative 2 squared. Sorry. Dapat nasa outside yung squared mo. Plus W. Ang W po natin is 3 squared. Then, last thing is to simplify. That is 3 divided by S. Then, this is negative. So, magiging positive po siya, class, diba? Then, squared plus 9. So, all you need to do is to use our FOIL method, no? So, mentally na FOIL method is S times S is S squared. S times 2 is 2S. Multiplied by 2 is 4S. And then, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 9. Okay, so last thing, wait lang, erase ko muna kasi pangit masyado tingnan. Kapagalitan tayo ng CHED. Plus 2, ayan. So, this is equivalent to 3 divided by S squared plus 4S plus 13. And that is our final answer. Okay. So, kindly screenshot. So, in this problem, baka maratol mo, sir, theta na sir, dili t. Don't worry, that is just a variable. 'Di ba? Parang ikaw, pwede ka lang palitan anytime. 'Di ba? So, dito is t, dito is theta. Just replace the t with theta. And everything is the same naman din siguro. Okay? So, therefore, proceed tayo sa ating example. So, same lang po kanina, isusulat lang natin yung formula na dapat natin gamitin for this one. So, ang gagamitin natin is yung combination ng EAT multiplied by cosine hyperbolic of WT. So, move ko lang siya to the right kasi hindi siya magkasya. Okay, so for that one, ang formula po natin is S minus A divided by S minus A pa din sa baba. Squared minus W. 'Di ba? Squared. Sabi ko sa inyo, pag hyperbolic yung ating formula or yung ating trigonometric function, negative lang yung sa baba. That is just the difference between the two. Okay? So, dito, we have a constant which is 3. Is ilalabas lang natin po si 3. Pagkatapos po, gagamitin natin yung formula, but, di ba, sabi ko kanina, you need to determine yung A tsaka W natin. So, A is equivalent to yung katabi ni T. And for this one is theta. So, theta is T. So, therefore, yung katabi niya is 1. Hindi nakikita. Then, next one is yung W natin, which is yung katabi ng ating cosine hyperbolic, which is exactly 4. So, therefore, we just need to substitute that one, that is S minus 1, divided by, center natin, pangit tingnan. So, S minus 1 divided by S minus A, ang S natin, minus A is 1, squared minus yung ating W, which is 4 squared. Ayan. So, therefore, next thing that we need to do is just simplify. This is 3s minus 1. Sa baba po, gagamitan po natin ng FOIL method. Again, mentally. S times S is S squared. Negative 1 multiplied by S is negative 1S. Times 2 is negative 2S. S, hindi X. Then, negative 1 multiplied by negative 1 is positive 1. Yung sa labas po is si negative 4 squared, magiging negative 16. Sir, question ko lang, di ba sir, negative 4 squared is positive 16, hindi siya negative 16? Yes po, that's correct. But, take note of this one, pag titingnan mo, yung squared natin is si 4 lang. No, that is a common mistake, di ba? Negative W squared. Ibig sabihin si W lang yung squared, hindi po kasali si negative. So therefore, for this one, negative 16 yung ating sagot. Common mistake. Diba? Okay? So therefore, simplify lang natin ulit. That is 3s minus 3 divided by, yung sa baba natin is s squared minus 2s minus 15. So, ulitin natin si S. Ano ba yan? Parang 5. Ano ba yan? Yan. Minus 15. And that is our final answer. Ayan. Okay. So, therefore, screenshot because that is our final answer. And I think so far, napakadali lang naman niya. So, let's just continue with our next problem. So, proceed tayo. This one ay medyo mahaba. But don't worry. Same lang po ng step kanina. Ito, lalo na dito, no? Distribute mo lang yan. So, don't mind that one. Ito muna yung isa-solve natin. Okay? So, for this one, no, paulit-ulit na lang yung ating ginagawa. So, I think kabisado na ninyo yung ating gagawin. So, first thing is to write the formula if involves si EAT multiplied by sine hyperbolic of WT. So, the formula for that one is W divided by S minus A. Then squared, that is minus kasi hyperbolic siya, squared. So therefore, next thing that we need to do is to determine yung A tsaka W natin, which is clearly, yung A natin is the exponent, which is negative 3. And then yung ating W is yung katabi ng ating hyperbolic function, which is 2. Okay, so next thing is just write the constant and then distribute natin siya, which is 2 divided by S minus A. A po natin is also negative 3 and squared. Ayan. Ano ba yan? Pangit masyado. Ayan. Ang arang. Then, sa labas is negative 2 squared. Okay. So, all we need to do is to simplify. This is 10 divided by, this is S. Sulat ko na lang muna. S plus 3 squared minus 4. Okay. So, next thing is, tawag dyan, FOIL method. 10 divided by S squared. 3 times S is 3S times 2. Ano ba yun? Parang 5. That is plus 6S. And then 3 squared is plus 9. Then, eto minus 4. So, therefore, last na talaga, i-simplify mo ulit. S squared plus 6S plus 5. And that is our final answer. Letter B natin is madali lang siya, pero medyo mahaba kasi we have two functions, kumbaga, or two, tawag dyan, polynomials. Polynomial man yung tawagan. Basta kaya dalawang solving yung gagawin natin. So, let us just continue with that one. So, for letter B, medyo tipirin natin kasi medyo mahaba to. But that is just a combination. Parang dalawang ganito lang. So, first one is eto dito na part. Diba? I-separate ko na lang siguro para hindi tayo malito. So, first thing is eto, distribute ko, then distribute. Okay? So, 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. And then, unahin ko si E. Wait lang. Tipid tayo. E. Then, 3t. Tapos, cosine of 2t. Close parenthesis. Minus the Laplace transform of etong isa, which is 2 times 5 is 10. Diba? Then, E raised to 3t. Tapos, sine of 2t. Okay. So, next thing is yung formula natin, sulat natin, that is E80. Yung A natin, walang butas. Pangit. 80. Ayan. Then, cosine of WT is equivalent to, just correct me class, if mali yung aking formula na masasulat, S minus A squared plus W squared. And then, how about yung E80 na sine? Etong isa, sine WT. I think they're just the same. Yung numerator lang yung magkaiba. Isa is S minus A, yung isa is S or W lang siya. It's just the difference between the two. Ngayon, ang cute ng squared. Okay. So, let's proceed. Wait lang. Sibog lang na ako siya. Mas mangluod siya ba? Kaya wala na ko siya gitagaag space. Char. So, ayan siya. Okay, so let us just continue. Lagyan ko ng space. Kasi iba yung sa baba. Ayan. Okay. So, for this one, first thing is yung cosine natin. Ang ating A is 3. Yung ating W is 2. Dito na part, yung ating A is also 3. But our W is the same lang pa rin. 2. Okay. So, therefore, that is equivalent to 8. Then, substitute lang po natin yung values natin. That is S minus A natin is 3 divided by S minus 3 squared plus W, which is 2 squared. Minus, constant natin ito is 10. Then, proceed tayo sa ginawa natin kanina. That is W, 2, divided by, ayan. I think they're just the same. So, let's just copy-paste this one. Ayan, copy-paste. Diba? Same na siya denominator. Okay. So, therefore, next thing is to distribute. That is 8 multiplied by S minus 3 divided by FOIL method. Ay, hiwi. Papunta sa CHED. Ayan. S minus 3. S times 2 is 6. S plus 9 kasi negative 3 times negative 3 plus 4. And then, dito sa kabila, that is minus 10 divided by, same pa din sa kabila. So, I will just copy-paste this one. Ayan. Okay. So, let's just simplify this one so that we will arrive with our answers. 8s minus 24 divided by, sa baba po natin is s minus 6s plus 13. And then, dito sa kabila, that is minus 10 or minus 20. Okay. Ito pala, no? Hindi natin na-notice. That is 10 times 2 is 20. So, therefore, this is 20 divided by, same pa din sa baba. So, I will just copy-paste this one. Wala ka. Sobraan. Lisod kong copy-paste. Ito na isulat. S minus 6s plus 13. Okay, so, again, I will not accept this solution, diba? Okay, dapat gusto ko nakaisa siya. So, same sila denominator, therefore 8s minus 24 minus 20. So, therefore, magiging, sulat lang natin dito, that is 8s minus 44 divided by the denominator, which is s minus 6s plus 13. And that is our final answer. Ayan. And we're done.